you are standing up, just watch your head, maybe keep a little bit lower. Okay, so if you're walking around the boat later on, watch out for the flooring, a bit uneven, and also try not to step on